model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 310 Limited Crew Cab Tdci 130L1H1 short wheelbase, ob start, stop. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 87,639. MOT, the 12th of January 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking, engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,825 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0